Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going over ThriveCart and how I use it to create really high converting checkout pages for my online business. We're gonna go over what ThriveCart is, what you can do with it, and then I'm gonna take you guys through a walkthrough of my ThriveCart account and show you guys how I built my checkout page. And I actually created a free template, so if you guys like the design of my checkout page and you wanna use it for your own business, I will link that down below in the description. And I do wanna say that this is not sponsored by ThriveCart. I just use the platform myself. I think it's a really great platform that's made me a lot more money. And yeah, that's why I'm making this video. They did not pay me. Rather, I just want to help you guys out. Anyways, let's get started. So let's start with a basic overview of what ThriveCart is. So ThriveCart is an online service that will help your business create high converting checkout pages to better sell your products through tools and templates designed to optimize conversion. So in a nutshell, you can basically sell physical and digital products, including ebooks, courses, coaching products, whatever it is. I really think it's great for first-time digital product sellers with no coding experience. And as you will see, you do get lifetime access to the tool with a one-time payment compared to many other platforms that actually charge you a subscription fee to access. Now, the reason why ThriveCart's checkout pages have high conversions is because of their A/B testing feature, which basically allows you to see each checkout page's analytics and choose the best performing one. Another really great feature is that even if the customer abandons the cart, with the two-step shopping cart, you can actually still send offers or recommendations to their email and create potential sales for the future. Another really important feature of ThriveCart is that they have bump offers, aka upsells. By being able to enable an upsell, you can actually really increase the average cart value or average sale value for your customers. You can also offer payment plans, as ThriveCart gives you the ability to set automated daily, weekly, monthly, or annual payments. It is a larger upfront expense, especially compared to some of the other subscription models out there. But if you are trying to create a long-term business, in the long run, ThriveCart is probably going to be much cheaper. That was really my thinking. I know that I'm going to be doing online education for many years. And when I did the math, it just made a lot more sense to use ThriveCart than some of the other platforms. So now I'm going to actually take you guys through ThriveCart's platform, through my dashboard, and show you what my checkout page looks like. Now, I will actually link a template that you guys can actually paste over to your own ThriveCart account. That's going to be in the description, but we'll go over that a little bit more. I'll show you guys how to do that. But yeah, this is my new checkout page. So you can see I have my title up here. I got some text here. I actually have a timer that I set. So we only open enrollment for, let's say, 7 days. So that's going to have this little countdown, which is really good for conversion rates. I have this image of the course, so you guys may want to create something like this. I have a bunch of features with these check marks. Makes it very easy to sort of read, so I recommend doing that. Then I have some more information about the course, a little bit about myself and why they should trust me and actually, join the program. Of course, we have an upsell. This is extremely effective at increasing your average cart value and purchase value. So I definitely recommend having something like this. One of the best features about ThriveCart. Then we have the payment information here. We got these little secure icons, which do help with conversions. And then of course we have testimonials. And we have an FAQ, frequently asked questions. This is also very important to have. But yeah, this is what the ThriveCart homepage looks like. So if you guys click on the link in the description, it will help support my channel. It's not going to cost you anything. And you can actually go directly to that template for that checkout page, and you can actually get to this page from there. But yeah, basically what I recommend you guys is to get the lifetime account. That's exactly what I got. It's just one payment. It is a big cost up front, but super worth it. One of the best purchases I've made this year for my business, and I can definitely recommend having a specialized checkout page like this. The checkout page is literally the last thing your potential clients or customers see before deciding they want to buy or not. And it is super important to have a good and well-converting checkout page. And ThriveCart literally gives you all the tools you need to do that. This is not sponsored by them. I just I'm a really happy customer, so that's why I'm making this video. But yeah, once you click right here, it's going to take you to this page, and it's gonna have this little upsell, which I actually recommend doing. This is what I did. I upgraded to the Pro account. You guys don't have to do it, but I do think it is definitely worth it. You get the affiliate program, you get subscription functionality, you get sales tax calculations, you get these contracts, and you also get custom domain name functionality. And if you guys are, trying to build a business, I definitely recommend getting the Pro Plus because a lot of these things are, in my opinion, necessary. What sold me was their pays for itself guarantee. So they're saying if ThriveCart doesn't pay for itself in your business, then they will work with you until it does. So they will literally help you make that money back. Yeah, I have a lot of friends that use ThriveCart. It's a really, really great platform to build a very specialized and high converting checkout page. And this one-time upfront cost is well worth it in my opinion. So let me show you guys the inside of my ThriveCart dashboard. So we haven't had enrollment open for a while, but if I go here, let me show you last 3 months. It's going to have my data for February. And you can see that we had about 500 views, 11 sales, cart conversion of 2%. We had 2 refunds because 2 people bought the course that didn't actually need to buy the course. They actually had free access from purchasing another program. So I refunded those. And this shows the net revenue. ThriveCart is also going to show all these other stats right here. And what you guys are going to be doing is you're going to come here to products. And this is where you create your products. And you can see the product tab is up here. You have upsells. So you will definitely want to have upsells for your offer. There are downsells. There are A/B tests, which you guys will want to do. I definitely recommend that. And you can enable coupons. So I'm going to actually show you guys my personal brand masterclass basic page. So I'm going to go here and click edit. Here, it's going to have you do a product name, label your URL for the checkout page, and then you can actually set it as disabled, test mode, or live. And you guys will do test mode if you want to actually test the credit card payment system to see if it works. And then you have pricing here. So you will set the currency that you're selling it in. You will actually set the price right here. You can add additional pricing options if you want. One-time fee, subscription, split pay, and pay at your own price. So we right now are just using a one-time payment, but it is nice to know that you can do all these different ones. Very advanced, and a lot of other platforms do not have that. Then you can check this if you want. I'm not doing that since I don't need to collect sales tax for an online course. And then if you want to customize your customer's invoice, you can actually click on that. Here, you're going to set your little upsell. So I definitely recommend doing this. We have one called Pro Plus Upgrade. It costs $400. And you can set it to be pre-selected if you want, or you cannot. So I have it not set as pre-selected. So ThriveCart works with Stripe as well as PayPal. So you will connect both of those payment processors to your ThriveCart account. So here you can check this if you want to actually have affiliates help you promote your product. So I know that ThriveCart has a really, really great platform that allows other people to effectively promote your product, and it tracks really, really well. So clicking on the checkout tab, this is the fun part. This is where you actually get to design your checkout page. Now I'm going to actually link below the template of the checkout page that I use. So I designed this myself. It took me a long time, but in my opinion, this was the best blend of being effective, actually, increasing your conversions, as well as looking good and being able to showcase good features and enough information about your product that makes your potential clients actually want to buy. And I do have the upsell here since I do think that is very important for your overall average cart value. And yeah, we have these little icons here. We have the total payment amount here. We have testimonials. So I definitely recommend getting at least 2 testimonials and putting them right here. And the frequently asked questions is down here. I've populated it with just, random text, but you guys will want to actually write your own text as well as perhaps change the actual questions. So guys, literally click on that link in the description. It'll take you to this page. And if you like this checkout page, I've done all the hard work for you. This literally took me hours and hours to make, and you can literally just copy it over to your own ThriveCart account, change up some of the text, the images and all that stuff. And yeah, it's just going to save you a lot of time. And I am happy to help you guys with that. Here, it's going to show you the directions on how to actually import this design. And if you guys don't have ThriveCart yet, you guys can click on this button right here to get it. But yeah, for now, I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to come here to design and I'm going to click import a design. So you'll actually copy and paste that thing right here and click continue. Since I already have it connected to this page, I'm not going to do that. So I'm actually going to click launch editor and show you guys how this platform works, how you can actually build your checkout page without needing to know HTML or any coding. And yeah, it's very, very simple to use. If you want to change the text, you'll just click on this. You can adjust the font size. You can adjust the line height, letter spacing, the text color, the font, all the stuff. Same thing with any of these right here. This is going to be the countdown timer, so you guys can play with this. If you want to update the images, very easy to do so. Here you can easily just type whatever you're trying to type for your own course or program. Change this up, customize all this text. And if you guys do want to add anything else to this page, let's say you want to have another testimonial, right? You guys can come here and click on this and drag it over here. So let's say I want to add another testimonial underneath here, drop that here. And it's going to allow you to choose the different styles of testimonials. There are many you can choose from, but if you want it to be like this, you can choose the double one like that, adjust the font size, text color, choose your images. And yeah, just very, very easy to actually build a checkout page. And I found that the one that I made is very, very good for conversions. So I definitely do recommend using that. But if you don't want to use that, you guys can come here and you can also check out the designs that they actually have. So if you come here, you guys can choose standard, sales cart, embeddable, or pop-up. And let's say I want to do standard. I'm going to click next and show you guys what this looks like. So this is going to be a little bit different. It's not going to look perfect because I've already populated the old checkout page. But if you do want like two sort of like a sidebar, then you guys can do something like this. Lots and lots of different templates and things you guys can do. And yeah, really you can change designs as much as you want. And that really is the beauty of ThriveCart. So here you can actually set up the tracking services that you want to integrate with. So of course, we have Facebook and Google. And then if you come here to behavior, you can actually set up rules based on customer behavior. So you can actually like perform specific actions based on their behavior. So for example, adding them to mailing lists, applying tags, or subscribing them to a webinar. So if you want to do that, you can click add rule right here. So that is an overview of ThriveCart and how I use it for my own online business. Again, you guys can use the links in the description if you want to get this free template, or if you just want to sign up, I will put links in there. You can actually get that lifetime Pro Plus package, which I definitely recommend doing. And yeah, it just allows you to build these really great customizable and effective checkout carts, which will lead to you making more money. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. I just wanted to make this video and show you guys how to use ThriveCart and also offer you guys a free template you guys can use for your own checkout pages. Like I mentioned earlier, it's just super important to make your checkout page high converting. It's the last thing that people are going to see before they actually buy. And with an advanced tool like ThriveCart, you're really going to be able to optimize your checkout page, incorporate features and things a lot of other checkout pages don't have. And yeah, it's just going to make you a lot more money. So for example, I use Kajabi for my course, but I don't think the checkout pages on there are very effective. So I decided to get a specialized checkout page, ThriveCart, because I know that in the long run, this is going to make me a lot more money than I'm spending on it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe. We'll be making a lot more tutorial videos on this channel. So I really, really hope I can help you guys become better entrepreneurs and make more money. I'll see you guys in the next video.